Hey KT fam, I'm back with another video. Today I'm just gonna be vlogging my day. I got my girlfriend over there, but she's not gonna be in the camera today. Oh yeah, see? You were in the camera. Mm-hmm. No, so basically, I don't really know what we're doing, but I'm gonna bring you along. Right now, first things first, we're gonna go to Publix. And yeah, I gotta get some contact solution because I ran out. And I'll see you at Publix. You only know about Publix if you live in like Florida, Georgia, Tennessee maybe. But yeah, where's the contact solution gonna be? What's that? Oh, sorry. Look what she's going to do.
I didn't get no weight.
Did you lose weight?
No, I didn't lose any.
That's funny.
You checking?
No. I should check my weight. Let's go check my weight.
They gotta see how much you weigh.
Well, I can make this video. I gained.
You're 100. 100, almost a 1.
Yeah, I gained 2 pounds.
Wow. How you gaining weight?
I don't know. I'm eating more. So my contact solution should be right here. Oh, that's the one they told me to get the first time. Oh, this is the one I have now. Dang, it's so expensive here. Oh,
How much is it?
It's too expensive sometimes. $5.29.
That's not expensive.
Cute. Okay, let's go to the alcohol aisle.
Show them your outfit. You look cute.
Thank you.
With your little flat.
Shein, because you know I love Shein, so if they want to sponsor me. Okay, let's go to the alcohol aisle.
You're lucky you don't have work tomorrow.
Oh, that's not the alcohol aisle. Did I pass it? Wine?
No, they have a liquor store.
No, not this one. Not all of them.
But I don't think you're gonna find any. They only have wine and like stuff. They don't have like
No?
the strong stuff.
I
No.
think you're right.
You have to go to the store.
We'll go to the liquor store then. I'm gonna get something to drink. So, you want some to drink?
I feel like you wanted something else. I can't think. I can't think of what it.
Check out to smile about. That's what it says. I don't want to. Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper? Or Fanta? I mean, Crush.
No idea. None. None of the above.
Pick one.
None.
Pick one.
None.
Then I'll pay.
Yeah. Water. You don't drink enough soda during the week? These customers don't give you enough soda?
Yeah, don't get the people. We're about to check out. Yes, please. Okay. So do you want to walk or do you want to drive over there? Oh, okay,
Where?
we're gonna walk.
Where?
To the vape store. The vape store.
Oh, what you need there?
I need more juice.
You just got some, no?
That was like, how long ago was that? Girl.
She stay vaping. Do they know about you vaping? Is that what you call it?
Yeah,
Oh.
they do.
Hey, beautiful.
Who's that? I have a girlfriend. Don't talk to me.
What? I don't care. Hi. Where you going?
Huh?
Hey.
Stop it. I'm
Where you
gonna call the
going?
police. Stop it. I'm
Hi.
gonna call the police.
Hi.
We're here.
You look beautiful.
Hello.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. What can I do for you today?
Can I get a Fuji apple and a 32?
You got an idea?
Dang, that's the first.
I haven't seen you before, so.
No, I haven't seen you either. But my name is a big Peter.
I don't remember you now.
You look too
You
young.
just look different.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I usually come here after work. For real though.
Yeah. We do look different in the uniform and then like
I
regular
know.
clothes. Like two different.
Tell me about it.
You look like a boy.
What's the last name again?
Taylor, Taylor.
First name?
Kayla.
Kayla.
2032.
Thank you.
You got big men.
That's a Buddha.
Oh, that's a Buddha?
Yeah.
What do Buddha do?
Lovely belly is supposed to bring you good luck.
Oh yeah? If I touch it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Bring me good luck.
belly,
Buddha.
not his
Oh, his
head.
belly. Oh.
Never know what the head's gonna bring in.
Oh,
Bring me
That's so funny. All right, thank you.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
I feel low.
You are Okay. Now we go see the kids. Bye.
My dad's house. Y'all see this? $89.
Yeah, but what does it feel like?
It feels like 101. Shush. Y'all see this?
Okay, we just got to Eliante's dad's house. Now this is how we make the kids come outside. Do it, babe. Now watch them come. Hey, there's one. What is he doing? What you doing, Finsty? Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Wait, what's your name?
Fransley?
Oh, okay.
What are you to Eliante?
She's my auntie.
Yeah, where are the other kids?
They're inside.
What are they doing? Why they're not coming out? There they are.
Oh, there they go. There's
Look at
Gogo.
that.
You got my package for me.
You got an
Oh.
iPhone X?
Mhm. The XR or something.
Oh, hi, Kayla.
Hi, Gogo.
Hi, boo.
What's your name?
My
What's your name?
Vigo Junior.
Nice.
You switch your other phone for that?
Yes. Oh wait, what are you to Eliante?
Her brother.
Good job. Where are the
Cool.
other kids?
Inside.
Are they coming?
Yeah. All right. This is for my channel, guys. This is for my channel.
Y'all gonna be on Kayla's channel.
Ew.
They be watching you. Y'all be watching Kayla's videos, right?
I don't know her thing.
Oh,
You don't be watching her videos?
I don't have a phone.
Yeah, you do.
you don't watch my videos?
I don't want to show her face.
Your face is bent in the camera.
The kids are here now.
Your face is bent in the camera.
Now you got a question.
That's so funny. Baby, come here. Baby, what's your name?
Wilkinson.
Who called you baby? We like, baby, what's your name?
What are you to Eliante?
Her brother.
I thought he was gonna say her sister.
Baby's so
Somebody else is
shy.
coming.
Hi, Alan. Oh,
What is that? Oh, that's from the tree. That's from the tree.
oh, yo! I thought he just spit that out for real.
Oh,
Yo,
Alan, you can't talk?
I could.
oh.
he has
What's
something
your
in his
name?
mouth.
Talk to the camera.
I think that came out of his mouth for
No,
real.
that's from the tree.
What's in your mouth?
It's from the tree.
Rice. What?
What are you to me? Ask him the question.
What are you to Eliante?
What? Oh my
Like, what is she to
Go away.
you? She said, "Go away."
I can't with him. Yo, he's a most annoying person.
He's what is he? A friend?
Hey.
Friend of the
Where's
family.
Wilnick? Somebody's missing. Where's Wilnick?
Oh, he went out with
Oh, Wilnick is not here.
Okay, her other brother isn't here, and her other nephew isn't here as well.
Yeah. I have a whole bunch of kids.
Yeah, we call them the kids.
Yeah. People think they're all kids. We're like the kids. All kids.
Bro, pretty much. So I came to see the kittens. Do you know where they are?
Yeah.
They're over there. I'm gonna go find the kittens.
We can go see the cats.
There's one sleeping right there.
Oh yeah, Kayla, let's go see the cats.
Let's go.
There's one sleeping right there.
Alright, let's go. I gotta put the window up. We've known this cat. It's like an outside cat. We've known her like for a long time, and then she got pregnant, and then she had babies. We always feed her. And then she had babies, and now the babies are finally walking. So now we came to see them. I gotta see if I can see them. Hi, the boo-boo. Hi, boo-boo. No, come here. Hi.
Go on, run.
She came out?
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Where is she?
She's right there. She's hungry.
Let me give her.
Come here, boo-boo. Hi. Come here. Oh, she's scared.
He's scared.
There's like 6 babies. So that's one of them. Aww.
They're like different colors.
Hi.
They thought it was the mom.
That's Carol, bro. Looks like Carol.
Oh yeah, that's not
Come here.
The black and white one.
Come here.
That one, she looks like.
We should have brought food for them over here. Come here, boo-boos.
Y'all should take one home.
Stop, you're scaring them.
You see the food has been there forever. You can tell. That's why he's talking about they switch it. Where did you see that?
Let's go because we scared them.
One, only one is eating.
The other one got scared when you opened the trash.
Oh.
Wait, he got different colors.
Benji.
That one is going ham on the food like. And he's so cute or she's so cute.
Oh, he just wanted the other one back in.
He's not letting the other one eat.
The other one's right here.
That's what you just said?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I see the one that scares the one that scares me right here.
Yo, that one's so evil holding the other one down with his paw. There you go, exactly. Scare him. Now you're not tough no
that
more.
one's evil, for real.
For real, he's evil. He will not let the other one get food.
They love the food.
Just
What's your? Oh, he's coming. What?
Yo, they're all evil. Let's see if he can. You see, he's so mean. He's so mean.
eating. Oh sheesh!
What?
Oh my god!
Yo, hey, hey, you.
You evil!
Yeah.
That one is evil.
He needs to let them eat.
We cannot take that one. You
Yo,
can take
he's
one.
really evil.
Can you go get some in my car for me? Open the one.
Now they're fighting. Let that one in. You go.
Can I open the car? Let me get the key.
Here. These cats are too
I can
evil
pick them
for
up.
me. He's so cute. I want this one.
Looks like EK.
That's the baby. It always felt the.
You're so tiny.
Oh my god! Yay! Come on.
Aww.
You like that one, Gogo?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Let's go over there with
This
them.
is big. I think this one's the smallest.
Trying to move. Trying to get up my hand.
What?
Yeah, I'm like this.
Okay, guys.
Like the blue eyes.
It's so hot out here. So, like, I'm gonna put my hair up. But look at Gimme Me. Yo,
That's the mom.
I'm so happy that we came to see the cats. Yo, I haven't seen the kittens since they've been walking. Like, I haven't seen them. And I want Kiki.
You do?
Babe already named one of them, and I want
Kiki,
him.
yeah. It's a boy.
Can we have him?
That's a lot of work.
But I want him.
You look so cute with the
I was
ponytail.
gonna get
Yeah.
out of the cactus, put them right here so they could.
It's hot. I'm like literally sweating
She hates ponytail, you guys.
on camera. I hate ponytail on camera.
Let's see, I wish we could get.
But I like it on you.
Let's see, I wish
Where's
we
the
could get
kittens? I
one
want
of the
Kiki.
cats.
Kids, can I keep Kiki?
Yeah.
No.
there's another one that looks like that.
Oh yeah.
No, the evil one?
No,
the other one.
There's one that's evil.
There's two of them that looks like that.
That looks like that?
Yeah. That's a Kiki.
Oh, that looks like Ike. Yeah. I mean,
I want to hold him again.
Oh, you changed your shirt?
This is the mommy.
Short?
Your shirts.
You said short.
I said shirts. You remember me, boo boo? Yeah. No, it's Curry. I got to say Curry.
I haven't seen you in a little bit.
Oh, that's the. I thought that was the baby.
No, you said baby.
Alright. So, enough video of the cats.
yeah. For real though.
So we'll see you guys later. Whatever we end up doing next. Say bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye. Make sure you hit that thumbs up.
Hey!
And hit the subscribe button.
Yay!
What else, Alvin?
Hit the
there you
notification bell.
Bell.
I was just about to say that.
Alright, bye.